Hello guys, and welcome to a bit of a pattern practice video. I saw this lovely draping project in one of my favorite fashion books, the Audrey Hepburn classic black dress, and they've shortened it a little bit and added some different dart variations there, and I thought this would be an easy flat pattern to practice with. So we'll use my half scale one-piece dress block that now comes with the Magic Mini Mannequin course. So I've started with just matching my star shapes there to create the full pattern. So this is a front and a back, and the first step is to move your shoulder dart to the side seam, and we do that by drawing a line, slashing it, and closing the shoulder dart so that it opens up at that side seam there. To create the neckline, I just used my French curve ruler to create a nice shape, leaving about 1.25 inches for a shoulder strap. To remove this shoulder dart, we simply take it off the shoulder seam at the armhole, straighten it out, and I'm using the front there to get the same width as the shoulder strap, and doing my best to do a nice straight back neckline. So on the drawing there was 2 back darts. This is so that it sort of divides up that fullness of the dart, so you don't have just one large dart. It's kind of a design choice, but I thought it was a nice little added feature and more of a challenge for you. So to do this, you want to take the width of your dart, divide that by 2, which will be now the new width of each dart. I'm using each side of the dart legs, as my new starting point to create this new dart that's closest to the center back, keeping it the same length as the original, but for the side seam one, the one that's closest to the side seam, it's going to be about 1 centimeter shorter than the center back one. And so I'm just measuring how long each length is, going up from the waist and down from the waist, just making sure that they're a little bit shorter. And to trace off these darts, you're just going to poke a hole through your points and trace it with a marking pencil so that you get a nice dart shape in your waist. Well, there we have it. There's our new back darts. Our neckline's complete. We've removed all the shoulder darts, and we're ready to do the length of the hem. So I'm doing about 10 inches down from the hip, and I'm squaring across and then squaring back up to the hip in a straight line. And because we want that tapered look to the hem, I'm going to take it in 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch and join that up back to the hip and make a nice squared point at the bottom so it turns up nicely. And we'll do the same for the back piece. Exactly the same way, 3/4 in to a nice tapered edge, and that gives it a nice column shape. And I'll just cut off that excess, and I've done up a quick little muslin so you can see the final product with these 2 darts. We've got the bust side seam and the bust princess darts, and the 2 double darts in the back. It just adds that little bit of extra detail and some nice shaping and some nice black satin. Looks pretty sleek. There's something about a little black dress that is always just so classic. But wait, before you go, I wanted to show you the new Threadora.com with all of our courses, including the Magic Mini Mannequin that now has these bonus patterns, the 1-piece and the 2-piece dress block. Every course has full video tutorials, your course materials, and even a discussion board to post your questions and get some answers and share your progress with everyone. It's a really great tool and resource to take advantage of. Check out our shop for some really nice sewing tools and utensils. Drop me a message, say hi, tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much. Happy sewing.